these two dolls. This is Elsa. Hi. And this is Anna. Hi. Yeah, that's okay. Anyway, the thing we are going to be doing is unboxing.
Yeah, I really like how the dresses.
Yeah.
Comes with a green dress and two gold bracelet and brown and pink mixed together and tied braid. And this doll has a purple dress, same as this other doll. She has gold bracelet, but the hair is different. She has white and purple.
Yeah, we're gonna do the special inside.
First, we have
And
to
by
cut.
the way, I like this.
First, we have to cut the doll's tape.
Whoa! Oh, be careful.
It looks too much. So I open them from the back. Oops. Wow.
How do I open them, sis?
You do it from here.
Watch careful.
And this step right here. There. Now you can open. So now you flip this down carefully.
Oops, I'm going to read the box.
You just twist it around.
Wow, they're so pretty, guys.
And over here. Okay, video. Now we'll be unboxing them.
Wow, we got a lot. I wonder what's this.
So I took off one. So you see this, put it down here. And we are going to just twist this around. It's not that hard, it's simple. You just twist them. Yeah. Give a little push.
Yeah,
And come on, guys, look. I think this one. They are different. Here are the dolls. They are so pretty. I love them.
wow, here, oops.
Wow, can we get this thing out? I want to take it. This looks like it's stick with some cello tape here. It's looking like a necklace. Stick with some cello tape. And it has some another knot to just take off this cello tape here. The necklace.
I got it.
So, I think it's a gift or something. What is this?
What is it? Ah, do I look like a princess? Okay, let's get
So
that.
pretty, and I think I'm gonna name them Skylar. This one's Skylar, and this one's Scalar. Those are nice.
And I'm gonna pick some names of them. This is going to be Elsa. Hi. And this is going to be Anna. Hi. And look at their long hair. They're braided.
Yeah, they're so tight. They are kind of like rubber.
Whoa, she fell down. Their chests are so puffed up.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot to. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed our video very much. And you know who brought this to us? You got it. Our uncle brought this to us. And he's going to marry us. So happy for him. And we kind of make some gifts for him too. We're going to be little friends. And so I hope you enjoy this video. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye. Love you. All